In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create one email for a group. Google Workspace group permissions. 5 minutes. We'll set up a single email address that multiple people can use, and we'll configure the right permissions so messages are shared safely and efficiently. You'll need access to the Google Admin Console with the right admin privileges. Start by signing into the Google Admin Console. This is where you manage your organization's settings and services. Once you're in, go to Directory. The directory section is where you manage users, organizational units, and, importantly for today, groups. Next, open groups. This takes you to the list of existing groups in your domain, and it's the hub for creating and managing shared addresses. Choose Create Group. You'll see fields for the group name, the group's email address, and a description. Pick a clear, memorable name that reflects the team or purpose. Select an email address that's easy for people to remember, and add a short description so other admins immediately understand what this group is for. Now configure the basic permissions. Decide who can view conversations, who can post, and who can manage members. For a team inbox, a common pattern is to allow only group members to view and post, while reserving member management for group owners or managers. If you expect messages from outside your organization, make sure posting is allowed from outside senders. Otherwise, external emails will bounce. Keep viewing permissions aligned with your privacy needs, especially if messages might include sensitive information. Click Create Group to save. This builds the shared address and applies your initial controls. After it's created, open Google Groups and click the name of your new group to enter its workspace. From here, go to Group Settings. This is where you'll fine-tune behavior beyond the basics. Under Enable Additional Google Groups features, turn on Collaborative Inbox. This feature transforms your group into a team inbox with tools to assign conversations, mark them as complete, and track progress. It's ideal for support, sales, or any queue where multiple people need to work from the same email address without stepping on each other's toes. That's it. You've created a single email for a group, set the core permissions, and enabled a collaborative workflow. As you use it, review permissions periodically to ensure they match your team's needs, and consider roles like manager or owner for better oversight. When you're ready to expand, you can refine posting policies, labels, and moderation to keep everything organized and secure.